In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Volkswagen GTI key fob. One quick note here is that there are two key fobs that look almost exactly the same for the GTI, but they are different inside. You can see my indicator light is down here in the middle. If you have the one with the indicator light up in the corner, that's a different device and that's going to be a different video. So go check down in the description and there will be a link that will take you over to that video for the GTI device. And if you have this one, obviously just stay here and we will get this battery replaced for you. It just takes a couple minutes. All you'll need is a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. All you want to do is open this thing up. You can see in the middle here in this area where the key just was, there's that opening. Insert your flathead screwdriver in there and twist. Twist a little bit and it will start to push these two pieces apart, and then you can just remove it with your fingers. You want to work down here now on the bottom part of the key fob using the same flathead. Come in here in this space where the key was and kind of hold on the bottom and just gently pry, pushing the two halves of this part apart. Once you have it worked open a little bit, you can just remove it or pull it apart with your fingers. Now, come over here, find the opening up here. It's actually on the bottom of the device, but you can see there's that opening. It's a little space. We're going to use the corner of our flathead to go in that area and try to get under the battery and gently lift it up and out. So grab your new CR2032 battery. Where is it? There we go. And when you're putting your new battery in, make sure that this positive side that has the text and all that information on it is facing down. So you'll just click that into place, positive side down, and now we can put it all back together. So line these two pieces up, squeeze, and then you just want to slide this back on there and give it a good squeeze. If you want to make sure you did everything correctly, just click and make sure that that light is coming on, which means you are good to go. I hope you liked this video. I hope it helped you out. If it did, feel free to give us a like or let me know down in the comment section. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel and we will have you covered with a tutorial just like this one. You can also get all of this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.